If you want to open split screen on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first we're gonna turn on 2 apps that we wish to open in this split screen. So I'm gonna open YouTube as well as settings. And now we need to go to the background apps. Above the app preview, we have app icons. So we can tap on the app icon in order to find split screen option. So we can select it and then select another app that you wish to use in the split screen. And there we go. Besides that, there is also the swipe to split screen gesture. In the settings, we can go to gestures. And then over here, we have swipe to split. We can turn this option on over here. So now, if you want to quickly open the split screen, we can perform a simple gesture. We can swipe from the left side towards the right side and then back to the left side. So something like this. And now we can select once again another app that we wish to use in the split screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!